Alright, I'm out in the wilderness, and I have spotted the Jurassic tree. You have to be very quiet, or it will attack. Oh goodness. It's trying to buck. It's trying to buck. We gotta go. Alright, I'm gonna quit the Bear Grylls stuff. So I'm in the wilderness camping, summertime. So what we're gonna be doing is, I'm surviving. First person mode. Okay. How to survive the wilderness. Ow, my hand's itchy. Scratch. We got a lake over there. Okay, so basically, we're just in the wilderness, doing some things. You know I'm about that vlog life. We got some sticks here. We're making a fire. Never mind, we're not making a fire because I'm lost. Oh, I know that. There it is. Whoa. Alright, so we've got my fire, set up, not setted, it's not a word, is it? Now we're gonna go out to the lake, right about now. Other people are way more entertaining than me. I'm just the guy who talks. Like, I'm good at talking to myself. That's my talent. People who's like, you're never gonna have a talent. I'm good at talking to myself. Alright. We have this thing right here. Oh. Mississippi is just so nature-like. It's the best place to be. You love nature. Power kick. Huh? Alright. I'm running. Alright, we're back. We got the kite up. We got the kite up. Huh? Stunning. It's a UFO. I'm gonna skip some rocks.
Order! Hey, it's Martin, man!
Woo! That was torture to your ears. Woo! The wind's good. think we're getting that wind from the hurricane. Which, that's more beautiful than this. Right here. I didn't do it. Had my one chance and I messed up. Let me find a new rock. We got some wood. But I'm about to skip some rocks. You're probably not going to be able to hear me. We're going to go on paddle boats and I'm going to bring that out. I'm going to bring this out. I have to. Dang it. Now let's get some insane shots. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Okay, we're done with the insane shots. Done. Can I fly the kite?
Yeah, he wants you to fly it. Can we get Caleb? Run with, no, let Caleb do it. Run with it, Caleb.
You don't have to run. No.
No, this way, this way. There you go.
Watch out for the tree. Watch out.
Awesome.
Spider-Man doesn't fly though.
Look at Spider-Man.
Hey! Oh! He's going down.
No, run, run,
Oh!
Hey, Jimmy, you caused the fire. I had to move the rib. There's that wood in there.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
There's this huge turtle here. Where is it? Right there. I'm gonna be quite far away because I don't know if it's an alligator snapping turtle or not. It's huge. There's a turtle here. So it's moving. By the way, I'm camping. I'm at this Jellystone campgrounds. I haven't seen a turtle. Alright. Let me zoom in. I was like looking back from the road and I was like, what is that? Might have some eggs around here. See you guys when I see something else. Peace. Usual camp. You have a pool, a lake, cabins, a tank. I told you I found something interesting. There's a freaking tank. Hi, tank. We're gonna go to you. Should I climb on it? Yes or no? Type in the stream. Yeah, that's a yes because there is no stream. Oh my gosh. Okay. It looks so majestic on this hill. It's not a good idea to climb on it. I don't even know if I can. Yes. I'm not gonna climb on it. There's something in there. Probably like a, I don't know. But this is a 1961 to 1967, 1997. It was the M60 tank is designed to function as one of the main assault vehicles in armor and infantry division, capable of defeating enemy armor of suitable as assault weapon in offensive operations, employed at night and under conditions of limited visibility. Entered service, U.S. 1961, construction over 15,000. Serial number 3661. Grew 4, cannons, round carried 63, 47 tons. Dang. Engine 759 horsepower air-cooled diesel. Fuel capacity 300 gallons. Road speed 30 miles an hour. At cruise range 312 miles. During Desert Storm 1991, the U.S. Marines battle tank was in M60. M60 battle tank has been used over 20 foreign nations and currently used by countries worldwide. This thing, like 30 years, it's been in service for 30 years, and then they just flop. Now it's just for show. Doesn't work. I would get on it. Don't know how. History lesson for you.